What was you doing on the boat? Well, get back down there on the boat one time. I know the boat's hot, ain't it? Get down there on the boat one time and I'll give you some pecan. Get on the boat. Squirrel. Not Squirrel, he was way down there. He was way down there and he come running down the fence. Here I come, that boat's hot's what it is. Come in. That sunshine on this boat. Yeah, that'll burn his foot if he ain't careful. I'm gonna put these pecans right here. Hey, they right here. That's all the pecans in that bag. I'm going to get some more. I got more pecans in the house. I just got to go get them. Come on down here. Come on. Come on down here, Butterbean. I call that squirrel Butterbean. Come on down here, Butterbean. Come on. You coming? Come on. Come out right there between that post and the tree. Come here. Come on. You coming? Come on. Come on. Come on, get on the boat and run down there to the shade. You coming? Come on. Come on, I put them down there. Come on down. Come on, come on, come on, come on down to the shade. Get down to the shade. To the shade, to the shade, to the shade, to the shade. Oh, that was a smacker right there, wasn't it? That was a smack right there, wasn't it? You don't know about that. Not a whole pecan, it's just the shells, not the shell, but the dust, the pecans, a couple small pecans in there, but mostly dust. There we go. Now you look like a hog. You got the big piece out there now. Went and hid behind the tree. He's just right there behind the tree, hanging upside down. Here comes the bird right there. Come on, bird. Come on. Here comes the bird. Come on. Come on, Red Cardinal, come on. You coming? Come on. Birds, come on. You coming? Come on. Come on. Come on. You coming? There's the red cardinals right there too. You coming? Come on. Come on. Get on the boat down here. I got him in the shade. There comes that cardinal right there. There's that cardinal. Here comes that squirrel for lucky. Here comes Lucky Squirrel. He come from different ones. Here comes the cardinal. Here comes the bird. Here comes the squirrel. Here comes the bird. Squirrel gonna get the biggest piece there is. I'm scared of the squirrel. Scared of the bird. Red bird still right there. Red cardinal. He's looking. Come on, get on the boat. Not you. There's only dust left now on there, small pieces. That bird might not get anything. I'm gonna go inside and get those other pecans. You can see that red bird sitting right there looking. He's watching that squirrel. Oh, there's the other bird too right there. Oh, the buff flew off, I reckon. Here he comes back. Alright, I'm gonna go in there and get some more pecans. Alright, stop this video.